Hello guys, Parfishing. Today I'm going to unbox 4 Matchbox vehicles. So yeah, because you see, if I could have just made a separate video on each one of them, but I'm too lazy to do that. So yeah, well, starting off the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. So yeah, pretty nice. It's got this massive tent in the back there, like you can live off the back of the truck. Then yeah, the body of the vehicle, which is the beige part, it's metal. And here we go on the side. It says Tacoma. We got some stripes here and there. These off-road wheels. You have your plastic base. Ooh. And yeah, this actually comes off. So in the back here it reveals the bed of the truck, and it's got 2 holes on here just to plug in this thing. So yeah, it's a pretty nice Matchbox vehicle, because like, I like the Toyota Tundra, and like this green part is detachable, pretty nice. And then our next car is the Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. So let me just zoom in on the car right here. So on the front we have headlight details, Mercedes logo, and some I was about to say grill details, but it's not really a detail because, like, it's just part of the mold. So on the side here, we have, well, I mean, the side of the car, which is silver, nothing special. And then on the back, this is where it gets really interesting. We have a license plate, a SLR badge, the brake lights, and, I mean, detailed brake lights, not just brake lights that are red, but, yeah. So yeah, car itself is a metal body, plastic base. Pretty nice Matchbox vehicle. So yeah, that was our second car. And then our third car is the it's not really a car, but yeah, this Matchbox tilt and flip. Not tilt and flip, tilt and tip. So in the card art here, it already tells us that there's probably a moving feature. I like Matchboxes and their moving feature or special features, that's the main reason I buy Matchbox sometimes. So yeah, the cab is metal, but the rest is plastic. And then on the side here, it says Matchbox Street Cleaner City Services. So let's see if it tilts. I think it's hold on, let me just check which way it is. I think it's like this. Yeah, like this. Hold on, let me just like focus again, because like the lighting is getting pretty bad. So yeah, it tilts. So you can just dump your trash like this. And then our final Matchbox vehicle is the 1955 Ford F-100 delivery truck. Here it is. Just put it on the floor. Zoom in. So yeah, this has a metal body, plastic chrome base, I suppose. Yep. It's got these Matchbox rims. Old school rims, I suppose. And then on the side here, we have some decoration. So the color is pretty nice. It's not like a regular paint. It's sort of like matte or flat or satin, however you like to call it. So yeah, those are just 4 random Matchbox vehicles that I had laying around. And yeah. So which one do you like the most? I really like this Toyota Tacoma right there. Yeah, that's definitely my favorite. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Till next time, this is Parfish out.